So today we've got not one, but two of the Sword and Shield Ultra Premium boxes. These things are just massive. They've got 16 booster packs in them. There's two promo cards for zacian and zamazenta, which is so hard to say. It's got a bunch of really cool stuff. Let me move this over just a tad so you can see it in the center. It's kind of hard to see because this is like gray on black, but there's quite a bit of stuff in here. There's some gold coin, or not gold coins, but metal coins, metal dice, a lot of really cool things. These are actually pretty heavy too. And right now, we're actually going to do this on a special little Marnie playmat that we just got in a recent Champions Path. Where did you get this? I think
From just the Marnie box.
Okay, just the Marnie box that came
Yeah.
too long ago. Cool. So we'll go ahead and get the first box going. Let's grab the knife first. Get the plastic cut off here. It's kind of a pain to get open. Let's do this side so we don't cut the wrapper. There you go. All right. Okay. Put that away. Alright, so this is pretty neat because it's got this fold out cover here, and then it's got a bunch of drawers in it with the various fun things in there. Let's see here. It doesn't open. Here's just the little play guide. The actual like series player's guide, and this has the special cards in it, all that fun stuff. Cool.
And then the promo card, or the
one of our code cards over there. All right. Let's see here. This is one of the promo cards that comes with it, the Zacian V. It's pretty neat. Got the sleeves. Here's the first set of Sword and Shield boosters that come with this. Looks like it's card dividers. Here is one of the metal coins. It's pretty neat. Pokemon. And then, yeah, that's the mention of Zacian.
I assume it's zacian because it's on the zacian side.
Yeah, good point. Then, oh, I think it was supposed to be in here. It's just
Slid out.
slid out. Alright, put the little booster pack back in there. The middle one, we have, these are the dice. Those are heavy. Feel how heavy those are.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, here's some more coins. And then, wow, those are even heavier.
Yeah. Set of gold and a set of
More
charcoal.
dividers, and then more packs. So this is
Darkness Ablaze.
Darkness Ablaze and Rebel Clash.
So I think you get 4 of each. So there's probably Vivid Voltage in there.
Yep, so we got those, and then we've got our Zamazenta V card there. Some more sleeves, and then we've got Vivid Voltage, 4 Vivid Voltage packs.
So you get 4 of each.
And then just another coin. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to be in a little pack like this. And then more dividers. Let me put all these little bits and bobs back in here so we don't lose anything.
Oh, and I think, yeah, it comes with, has the art for each one. You get 1 of each.
Oh, cool.
So
So
you
you get a
have your,
full set of booster cards.
yeah, with all the
themselves.
art. So there's your Vivid Voltage.
That's cool. Alright.
The 4 Darkness Ablaze art packs.
Right, because there's 16 boosters. So
Yeah,
that's
so you get
quite
4
a
of
few.
each, but it has the 4 different art styles for each one,
Yeah.
so that you can see each one. And then we have the 4 Rebel Clash. Art for those. I'm sure most people have seen the art already, but
Sorry.
and the art for those. Just a basic Sword and Shield.
Alright. There are your 8-packs, and here are my 8-packs.
Okay.
Wait, no, I think I got all Vivid Voltage. Let's see here.
First place. Yeah.
Get 2 of those,
There you
and
go.
I'll trade you 2 of those.
Okay.
There we go. Should I go ahead and go first?
Sure. I'm starting with just the base Sword and Shield. Start with a Water Energy, Rare Candy. There's a V of some sort there. Bloomberry, Corvesquire, Wooloo, Grookey, Sobble, Rhyhorn, Roselia, a Reverse Hollow Grookey, and a Delmise V.
Nice. Not too bad. Alright, I'll open one of my Sword and Shields. We've got... What fun stuff do we have? Oh, got a greenback code card. So, 1, 2, 3. There's our Energy, a Zalazzle, Dugtrio, Pokemon Center Lady, Pawniard, Sizzlepede, a Yamper, a Clobbopus, a Cottonee, a Copperaja, and a Sandaconda.
Another base Sword and Shield. Let's see here. Psychic Energy, Energy Retrieval, Heatmore, Drizzle, Skorupi, Hoot Hoot, Scorbunny, Pikachu, Sensity, a Reverse Hollow Clobbopus, and Cloyster is the rare.
My last Sword and Shield. There's our Energy, a Energy Retrieval, a Ferrothorn, Heatmar, Chudy, Rhyhorn, Rookidee, Krabby, Grookey, Pikachu Reverse Hollow, and then a Morkepi as the rare. Cool. Yep.
Okay.
Moving on to Rebel Clash.
Let's see here. Alright, we have a Leaf Energy, Lombre, Halucha, Indeedee, Mr. Mime, Caterpie, Barboach, Aracuda, a Stuffle, Reverse Hollow, Galarian Surfetch'd, and Toxtricity as the rare.
Alright, moving on to my first Rebel Clash. I do apologize, we keep the code cards, so got an Energy, our Palisand, a Milo, a Turfield Stadium, a Bunnybee, a Vulpix, a Phantump, a Galarian Farfetch'd, a Scoviet, a Durant, and a Hollow
Eskew?
Eskew, yeah. Cool.
Another Rebel Clash pack. Let's see here. So we have a Water Energy, Full Heal, Sonia, Masquerain, Corsola, Litwick, Shinx, Rocoli, Applin, a Clefairy as our Reverse Hollow, and the Toxtricity VMAX.
Nice. All right. There's our energy, a Chatot, a Charabug, a Skatunk, a Vulpix, Mulcery, Galarian Farfetch'd, Galarian Mouth, Caterpie, Galarbine as the reverse holo, and then a Spiritomb as the rare.
So now we are moving on to our Darkness Ablaze packs.
There you go.
As in they're really tight. Okay. So we have the Deep Energy, Toxapex, Big Parasol, Shinotic, Gothita, Nickit, Shelmet, Larvitar, a Grimer, Reverse Holo Granbull, and let's see. Ooh, we got the Charizard VMAX.
Yay! That's sweet.
Nice. I've been waiting for this.
That's a good one.
Nice.
Let's put that down there. That's a really cool card.
Yeah.
Look at that. Kind of move it up towards the camera here so people can see it a little bit better. Maybe I can get it in focus. There we go. It's really neat.
I don't even know how many packs it took to get that.
A lot of packs to
I
get
will
that
think
one.
about that.
A lot of packs to get that one. We still have to get the Dark Charizard
Yeah.
from Vivid Voltage, but that's a pretty good one.
Yeah.
Okay. My Darkness Ablaze.
Mhm.
Okay. I don't think mine will be as good as that one was. That's a
No.
pretty good pull. Nope. Let's see what we get. Energy, a Simisage, Simipour, Corvisquire, a Nickit, a Bounsweet, Snubble, a Melton, a Buttlebee, a Galarian Mr. Mime, that's our reverse holo, and then a Swanna is our rare.
I've not seen that one yet.
It's pretty cool.
Right.
That Charizard though, man, oof,
Okay.
that's a good one.
So another Darkness Ablaze pack. Lightning Energy, Ursa Ring, Rose Tower, Simisear, Vanillite, Trapinch, Teddiursa, Pansear, Morlul, Reverse Holo Shelmet, and a Galarian Darmanitan.
Darmanitan?
Yeah, Darmanitan. I'm not sure.
Not sure.
I'm not up to date with all the newer Pokemon.
Alright. So our energy, a Cape of Toughness, Vibrava, Simisear, Torchic, a Aeron, a Rookidee, a Wishy-Washy, a Pansage, a Reverse Holo Jigglypuff, and a Holo Tapu Koko. That's pretty cool.
I'm happy with Jigglypuff there.
Jigglypuff.
Alright.
Can I put you to sleep?
Let's move on to Vivid Voltage. Metal Energy, a Swallow, Zebstrika, Dusclops, Yanma, Wooper, Dedenne, Pikipek, Choodle, Reverse Holo Wishmer, and a Jolteon.
Nice. Jolteon, man. I'm okay with the Jolteon. Alright, my turn. Yay! And we have... These packs are much easier to open. They're not as tight as the other ones are. We have our energy, a bee, a duat, or aromatic energy, an execute, chadat, clavopus, a skiddo, a shuppet, a Samurott, reverse hollow, and a Charizard.
Nice.
Nice. Gotta love the Charizards.
Okay, my last Vivid Voltage pack.
Oh, upside down.
A Water Energy, a Swallow, Wash Energy, a Charmeleon, Chatot, Clavopus, Skiddo, Shuppet, Ferroseed, a Reverse Hollow Pikipek, and a Berserker.
Nice. Alright, my last Vivid Voltage pack. Go. Is our energy, a Cramorant, a Drone Rotom, a Swoobat, a Ferroseed, a Riolu, Sandeel, a Whalmer, a Weedle, a Reverse Hollow Wailord, and a Crocodile. Alright. So that's it for our first box. We do have a second box, but we'll split this into two separate videos just to make it a little bit easier. It's going to be pretty long already. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. See the links down below where we'll be selling a bunch of these cards. We have a bunch out being graded right now. If you're interested in any of the equipment that we use for filming these videos, again, check out the affiliate links below. And we'll see you in just a minute.